Buttery garlic green beans recipe. Green beans get a bad reputation for being bland and boring, but trust me, friends, that's only if you don't know how to make them sing. With a little butter, a handful of garlic, and a sprinkle of magic, okay, it's mostly just salt and pepper, you can turn this humble side into something everyone at the table will be fighting over. The best thing about this dish is its simplicity. We're not dealing with fancy techniques or complex sauces, just 3 rockstar ingredients working in perfect harmony. The result? Vibrant green beans that are crisp tender, melt in your mouth buttery, and infused with the most irresistible garlic flavor. It's veggie perfection with almost zero effort. So, if you're ready to ditch your mushy green bean prejudices, let's get cooking. Ingredients: serves for 1 pound fresh green beans, trimmed, 3 tablespoons butter, 4 cloves garlic, minced, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, squeeze of lemon juice. Instructions: prep the beans, wash those beauties to get rid of any grit. To trim them, you can either snap the tough stem end off or just give it a quick slice with a knife. If you've got a mix of thick and thin beans, try having those thick ones lengthwise for even cooking. Cook them up, you've got 2 options here. Blanch and sauté. Boil a pot of salted water, toss in the beans and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, until bright green and just tender. Drain them well, then move them to a skillet with the melted butter. We'll finish them off there. Steam, if you have a steamer basket, that works like magic too. Steam the beans for a few minutes until tender crisp, then straight to the buttery goodness. Garlic time. Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once it's sizzling, throw in the minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds to a minute, until it's super fragrant but not burned. Toss and coat, add those crisp tender green beans to the skillet and let them soak up all that garlicky butter. Season generously with salt and pepper, and toss to coat evenly. Cook for just a couple more minutes to marry the flavors and warm the beans through. Finishing touch, totally optional, but a little squeeze of fresh lemon juice right at the end adds a lovely brightness that takes this dish to the next level. Tips and tricks. Don't overcook. The key is to find that sweet spot where the beans are tender but still have a bit of bite. Overcooked green beans equals mushy green beans. Nobody wants that. Butter upgrade. For extra richness, try using brown butter. It adds a lovely nutty flavor. Spice it up, add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat, or your favorite herb blend. Get creative. Get fancy, top with a sprinkle of toasted almonds or pine nuts for a bit of crunch. See? I told you it was easy. And the taste? Out of this world. Buttery garlic green beans are the perfect side for grilled chicken, a juicy steak, or your favorite fish. I bet you'll never look at this side dish the same way again. Now, I want all you veggie lovers to spread the word. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious and simple recipes just like this one. Your taste buds will thank you.